Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to track Bluevine credit payments in accounting softwares. Keeping your Bluevine credit line payment recorded in your accounting softwares ensures that accurate books and easier tax preps are in order. Here's how to track them. Now, the first step is to log into your Bluevine account and download your recent credit line transactions or statements in CSV or PDF format. Now open your accounting software. That could be QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks. Navigate to the banking or expense section, and if Bluevine is directly connected, your payments will already appear here, but if not, you can just import the CSV file that you downloaded previously. You can go ahead and categorize each payment properly, mark them as loan repayments, principal or loan repayments, interest, or of course depending on the portion. Now reconcile the payments against your Bluevine statements just to ensure accuracy. You can run a quick report to verify that your liability account for Bluevine credit line decreases as payments are applied. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. You successfully tracked your Bluevine credit payments in your accounting softwares. Like the video if you like the video, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.